Now, the war over the Election Commission's voter revision rules in Bihar has taken a dramatic turn after Rahul Gandhi claimed to have unearthed an atom bomb against the Election Commission. He has gone out to say that elections in India are dead. Rahul claims he was suspicious about elections since 2014 and now he has evidence of voter fraud even in the recently concluded Lok Sabha polls. Tejasvi Yadav too opened another front against the Election Commission, claiming that his name has been omitted from the electoral rolls. The EC released documented proof that this wasn't the case. As Rahul sets off now to target India's electoral process, will his allegations see any success in the Bihar elections? Well, that is the big question we will open up to our panel. But first, let's play out political reactions that have come in.
6.5 lakh voters vote, 1.5 lakh voters are fake. It's on paper. Documentation that we got from the Election Commission. Voter list that we got from the Election Commission. Physical paper. Where we went comparing photograph by photograph by photograph, name by name by name. 6.5 lakh people. Comparing one photograph to 6.5 lakh other photographs. And I'm proud of the work that the Congress party did. And you will see the shockwave that is going to go through the electoral system when we release this data. It's literally like an atom bomb. Because the truth, my friends, is that the election system in India is already dead.
ये एप्लीकेशन है, मेरा भी नहीं है. हम चुनाव कैसे लड़ेंगे? अभी तो देखिए, ये चुनाव आयोग का एप्लीकेशन है और मेरा ईपीआईसी नंबर हमने इसमें डाला है. ईपीआईसी नंबर अगर आप चाहें तो हम बता भी दें. RAB 2916-120 इसमें कैप्चा आता है. हाँ, अच्छा आ रहा है. अब हम डालते हैं कि WNRN. अच्छा, उसमें दूसरा चल रहा है. डालिए.
क्या बोल रहा है? नो रिकॉर्ड.
आप देखिए, डालो.
क्या नीचे लिख रहा है? देखिए, नो रिकॉर्ड.
What does it mean? हाँ, चुनाव लड़ने के लिए आपको बूथ वोटर बनना चाहिए, बिहार का वोटर होना चाहिए.
अब हमारे पास ओपन एंड शट प्रूफ है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन वोट चोरी में इन्वॉल्व है. और मैं लाइटली नहीं बोल रहा हूं, मैं 100% प्रूफ के साथ बोल रहा हूं. ठीक है? और आप सबको पता लग जाएगा, जैसे ही हमने ये रिलीज किया, पूरे देश को पता लग जाएगा कि इलेक्शन कमीशन वोटर चोरी करा रहा है. किसके लिए करा रहा है? किसके लिए करा रहा है? बीजेपी के लिए करा रहा है. ओपन एंड शट है, नो क्वेश्चन. हमें मध्य प्रदेश में सस्पिशन था, लोकसभा में सस्पिशन था, महाराष्ट्र में वो थोड़ा आगे गया, स्टेट लेवल पे हमें लगा कि यहां पे चोरी हुई है. वोटर एडिशन हुआ था, 1 करोड़ वोटर्स ऐड हुए थे. फिर हम थोड़ा डिटेल में गए, हमने कहा देखो अब इलेक्शन कमीशन तो मदद नहीं कर रहा है, तो थोड़ी ग्रैन्युलैरिटी में जाना है, गहराई में जाना है. तो हमने अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाया. उसमें 6 महीने लगे और जो हमें मिला है वो एटम बॉम्ब है. मतलब एटम बॉम्ब है, फटेगा तो आप इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको दिखेगा नहीं हिंदुस्तान.
मैं राहुल जी से कहना चाहूंगा बहुत विनम्रता के साथ, अगर आपके पास सबूतों का एटम बम है तो उसका परीक्षण तुरंत कर डालिए. एटॉमिक टेस्ट तुरंत हो जाना चाहिए। सारे सबूत जनता के सामने रखिए, सारे सबूत जनता के सामने रखिए। मगर सच्चाई यह है कि उनके पास न कोई तथ्य है, न सबूत है। सनसनीखेज बातें करना उनकी पुरानी आदत है।
Joining us now live is Mukesh Tyagi, spokesperson of the BJP. We also have with us former DGP Karuna Sagar live with us. Congress, also a Congress spokesperson. Gargi Nandi, political analyst, is also joining us live. Dr. Mohammad Amin is also live with us on the broadcast. Let me draw you in here, Mukesh Tyagi of the BJP first. All guns blazing ahead of the Bihar elections. Tejasvi Yadav, Rahul Gandhi, they are targeting the EC on a daily basis, Mukesh Tyagi. Do you see merits in what they are saying? Or is this excuses already for possibly what may happen in the Bihar election?
I think there is a saying in English that bad worksmen quarrel with their tools. So Rahul Gandhi is already anticipating his defeat. His political credentials is completely decimated. He is not taken seriously by his own parties. There is a dissension within his party. Nobody acknowledges his leadership, and he's actually bringing about such a disgrace, which is unprecedented in nature. He is calling that election commission should be charged with the treason. I mean, he doesn't have any concrete evidence. He just keeps making a hollow sounds, like in the past when he said, "Oh, I've got such a huge evidence of Rafael," and finally he apologized in the Supreme Court. I mean, what is wrong with the Election Commission? They're doing their job. They're trying to remove those intruders and illegal infiltrators who have infiltrated through the system in collusion with the on the contrary, there should be a complete support from all sides that no unauthorized voter should be part of the election list. I mean, the election commission is carrying out, there is a BLO there. They are using full authority under Article 324 and also 16 and 19 and Form C and God knows. I mean, all kinds of procedures have been taken. Supreme Court has intervened, said, okay, there was Aadhaar issue. Supreme Court said, no, Aadhaar can be taken as an evidence. I think they're carrying out their duties in a constitutional fashion. What is going wrong with Rahul Gandhi? I don't understand. When he wins election in Himachal Pradesh, he doesn't find a fault in the electoral list. When he wins election in Karnataka, he wins election in Telangana. I mean, that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is very quiet. When he won 99 seats in parliament, he was very quiet. Election voting machine, they have been constantly saying, but till now, I mean, this election voting machine was introduced in Congress regime, as far as I remember, and they went and challenged before the Supreme Court. They demonstrated. Finally, they could not find anything. So it's a wild goose chase, as a matter of fact. And Rahul Gandhi is making a noise because they've run out of any legitimate political issue where they can corner the government. Now they are trying to come out with such a preposterous argument. I don't understand. Rahul Gandhi is losing his own credibility in the process because he can't prove anything, and Supreme Court is already in the knowing know of things. So what is going wrong now? He's saying, "I will drop the atom bomb." And drop the atom bomb. And think this kind of a statement so childish. I think I'm very embarrassed to say the leader of opposition we need a mature opposition who can raise the issue on a very cogent grounds. I'm extremely embarrassed.